So taking some time to get comfortable, whether you're sitting up or lying down. Just going to start with the eyes open. Soft focus, just taking in the space around you in the room. No matter what's been going on, no matter what the mind is stressed with right now, no matter how the body feels, just for a moment letting go of all of that. Just focusing on the space around you without moving the eyes, just taking in the space. And just starting with a few deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, just feeling the body expand, the lungs, taking in fresh air. As the body exhales, just a sense of letting go of whatever's going on in the mind, in the body. Again, breathing in through the nose. And as you breathe out this time, just allowing the eyes to close. Feeling the weight of the body press down. That contact, the surface beneath you. The mind probably is going to be quite busy if it's been very stressed out. Just allow the mind to do its own thing. So not trying to think about it, not trying to stop the thoughts, just allow the mind to do its own thing. We're going to bring all of the attention into the body. Noticing. So does the body feel heavy or light right now? Does it feel restless or still? Is there a sense of flow in the body, or do things feel a little bit stuck in some way? So not thinking about it, just noticing the sensation in the body. And starting at the top of the head, just gently scanning down. If the mind's very busy, it feels difficult to gently scan down at a slow pace. You can just speed it up a little bit and just go multiple times down through the body. Just noticing what feels comfortable, what feels uncomfortable. Again, just allow the mind to do its own thing. If it wants to think about something, just let it think. Right now, just focusing the attention on the body. And as you scan, just starting to become more aware of the breath. If you find it comforting, just placing your hand on your stomach or on your chest. Just feeling that rising and falling sensation. We're just going to use this as a place for the mind to rest, or to rest our attention. As the thoughts come and go, just allow them to come and go. But the moment you realize you've been caught up or swept away by that thinking, just sort of mentally labeling it or noting it. Oh yeah, thinking. And then coming back to the breath again. Or if it's a physical sensation, you just go, oh yeah, okay, that's feeling. Letting go of it. and coming back to the breath again. And as always, if you find it easier when you're following the breath, you can just count the breaths as they pass. So giving the mind lots of space. Just let the mind do its own thing. If it wants to think, let it think. The only time you need to note is if you have completely lost any attention on the breath, being distracted in some way. Just noticing whether it's thinking or feeling. It's distracted you, letting it go, and coming back to that sensation of the breath again. Remember not noting every single thought or feeling, just those times when you've been completely distracted. Otherwise, following the breath, allowing thoughts to come and go. Giving the mind lots of space as you just focus on that physical sensation created by the breath in the body. Just allowing the mind to think. It's almost as though that momentum, that energy, is just expelling itself. You just gently place your hand on the stomach, on the chest, as you feel that movement, the physical movement, the body under your hand. Perhaps an increasing sense of ease in the body, space in the mind. Knowing that process of letting go, that stress has at least begun. Slowly bringing the attention back to the body, back to that feeling of contact, weight. Noticing space around you again, any sounds. And then when you feel ready, just gently opening the eyes again.